What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is choking me. So today I'm going to be filming a video on how to touch up and how to get your amp up your makeup, that you already have on, because I wanted to do this video because yesterday, as a matter of fact, this happened to me. Long story short, I thought I had an event to go to that I thought was today, but it was really yesterday. So I had a dinner, like a girls' dinner, and I thought it was today. And literally, a friend had messaged me at like 6, and we had to be there by 7, and I had only 20 minutes to get there because I still have to drive there. And in like a matter of 10 minutes or less than that to just make myself put together. I literally had this makeup on yesterday when I got that message. I didn't put lashes on or anything, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how I looked a little bit more put together and more presentable, because right now I look kind of like a hot mess. I'm like a little oily, you know, and I'm going to show you guys how I put myself together and make myself looking presentable. So if you guys are interested to see these tips and tricks that I have for you guys, keep on watching. So to start off, you want to blot the oil out of your skin. If you do not have blotting papers like I didn't, I totally don't know what happened to my blotting papers, and I was like, oh my god, what the heck? I was like, what the heck, like what do I use? So I was like, what is like a blotting paper? So I literally used a filter from the coffee. So what you can do, I have some scissors here. What you can do is just cut them. I know it's super ghetto, but you know what, being resourceful is the way to go. So I literally cut it, just cutting the paper like that. Okay, that is really bad. So I literally just cut it like this. I cut, so it was like this, and I cut it into half. This is really bad cutting. Do this. And it's not gonna ruin your makeup or anything like that. So you can even bend it like that. And it takes off all that excess. This is not oil, this is highlighter. So I literally just blotted this. So this is a good trick for you guys. If you don't have blotting paper, this is the way to go. And it just takes off all that oil. I don't know if you can see right here. So nasty, but it takes off oil. You just gotta be real. So I always get oily around my nose, like right here. So now that you have all this oil, so there, all the oil, I don't know if you guys can see, but all the oil is right there. It looks so gross. And the next thing I like to do is, I don't know if you can see right here, but I have like black from mascara, so I just like to like wipe it off with a beauty blender like that. Use that tip of the beauty blender and just hold it down and just wipe that off like that. And then I just have like a napkin here and just, of course I did it a lot faster yesterday, but I'm just trying to like show you guys so you guys can know exactly how I did it. And I'm gonna take one of my, this is like my favorite powder right now. This is the Charlotte Tilbury powder, and this is in the shade Airbrush 2 Medium. So I'm just gonna take this powder. I love this powder. And I'm just gonna take my It Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna dip that in there and just like make tapping motions in those areas where I feel like the makeup has like worn off. And I love this brush because it has like a little, it has like a little brush where you can get into like small areas like this. A bit of blush. The blush I'm going to be using is from the Charlotte Tilbury line, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, tap off the excess, and just touch, reapply some of that blush. Take a little bit of bronzer because I feel like some of that bronzer has worn off. Apply some, just put some more mascara on. So the same one I use normally, which is like the little MAC mascara. And what I like to do to just add a little bit more color to my eyes, I like to just take my bronzer and then just take a fluffy brush and put this on the crease. Like just to look more awake. I just take some of that brush that I use in the morning, which still has some powder, and then just brush my brows. And then touch up on some highlight, and I'm going to be using the Amazing highlighter that I've been obsessed with lately. So just on my nose. I like to apply this on my lips because it gives it like a really pretty glow. Finger to just... I like to use a Fix Plus spray, and this is the Fix Plus from MAC. I love this spray because it smells like coconut. This is from like a limited edition, but I know that they still have it just like coconut, just with a different logo, like a plain logo. So I just like to spray this all over my face. It feels so much more fresh. Like you just wake up. So it just gives you like a nice fresh awaken, and for my hair, I just, because it's a little frizzy right now, not frizzy, but there's like a little bit of static on it, I like to just take a little bit of that Whey mousse. I literally put the tiniest amount, but I just like to make my hair feel fresh. So I literally just shake this and then just put a little bit, like a tiny bit like this. And I just rub it on my hands before I apply it, and just run it through my hair. Things that I do to just refreshen my makeup and just touch it up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and found these tips useful. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!